Here's a quick look and quick tutorial on Terra Prime, the board game. I've just set up a few of the pieces rather than the whole board to try to make it a little simpler to show you. So here we have the Terra Prime outpost. This is where all your guys will start. And you can start your guys either going this direction or this direction. And as you move, you would flip over the tile as an explore action. And then at that point you can decide which direction you want to place it. There are rules on placement where planets cannot be within one step away from it, so Terra Prime outpost being considered a planet, you would have to be at least one away from there. On your turn you have several choices of moves you can make. You can scan a region next to where you're at to flip it over and look at it before you choose to move there. You can explore, which means moving and flipping at the same time. You can move only on an explored zone, so you could move from Terra Prime to this section for one action. You can place out a colony on a planet. These are your colony markers. Or you can use the colony to do things such as collect a resource or install the modules of the corresponding planet. You can also attack or pacify your aliens. And there's a couple special ones for Terra Prime as well, such as delivering resources you've collected, or buying upgrades, or loading or unloading your colony onto your ship. So the green sections are right around Terra Prime outposts. They're mild spaces and you won't run into many aliens. As you get to yellow, they're moderate, and red is much harder.